Do's and don'ts. Do's. Ensure that the pan is always clean. Ensure that the machine is completely switched off, including the main power output, before cleaning the machine. Regularly remove the crumbs from the water trough while cleaning that may be logged near the sensor. Use mild soap oil while cleaning the machine. Always be careful while lifting the bin, as boiling oil may pour over. Always maintain 4 kg of batter in the batter tank. Always maintain 800 ml of oil and water in the respective tanks. Always maintain sufficient water level in the water trough as mentioned above. Don'ts. While cleaning the pan, make sure that the edge of the scraper doesn't damage the pan. Make sure that the spreader does not cross more than 1 mm in height while adjusting the thickness manually. Cleaning the batter tank, make sure all crumbs and debris are removed which are attached with the gears. Do not use too much water to clean the machine. Water shouldn't enter any holes or grills when the machine is in operation. Avoid harsh cleaning with respect to pan and top mechanism. Do not press the emergency button unnecessarily. Troubleshooting. If you're experiencing problems with your Dosamatic, here are some steps you can try to troubleshoot the issue. Make sure that the MCB is switched on, which is on the left side of the machine to heat up the machine coil. For any thickness adjustments, manually use the knobs given on top mechanism. If you find that the oil doesn't come out as per the given standards, then start the oil priming process. If the oil is dispensed excessively, then go to the service menu and decrease the oil quantity. If oil and water doesn't come out, manually use the spanner given to remove the nozzle and clean it thoroughly with the brushes provided. Machine cleaning. Clean the outer body of the machine with the fiber cloth provided as an accessory, or else use a damp cotton cloth or a sponge to wipe away any dirt or debris. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners, as these can damage the surface of the machine. Clean the pan with the metal scraper provided as an accessory. Weekly once, clean the oil nozzle and the water trough brush. By the end of the day, clean the water trough and the dosa collecting tray. After every 2-3 dosas, clean the peeler with the cotton cloth. Clean the batter tank by the end of the day with the green scrubber provided as an accessory.